Welcome to iPECS Cloud from Ericsson LG Enterprise, a cloud communications and collaboration system designed by two of the world's largest technology companies to connect your teams and your customers into the heart of your business. With COVID-19, so much has changed. Businesses around the globe are more reliant than ever on cloud technology and their communication systems. iPECS Cloud helps businesses around the world, from Brighton to Bangkok, Manchester to Milan, London to New York, and everywhere in between. We deliver the reliability, resilience, and functionality to support your business and your teams, regardless of location or device. iPECS Cloud is your voice, video, and collaboration platform, making communication as simple and easy as having your colleagues and customers sitting right next to you. Delivered through your internet connection, Wi-Fi, or mobile data to your web browser. Each business used to have their own phone system at every office or site. This meant everyone needed to connect back to your office. Remote working was difficult and costs could be high. iPECS Cloud makes things simple by connecting people on their desk phone, tablet, smartphone, laptops, or PCs with the power of just an internet connection. All of your interactions can be seamlessly integrated into the applications you use every day, like Office 365, Sage, Microsoft Teams, Salesforce, Xero, Microsoft Dynamics, and many more. A global network of technology specialists work to tailor iPECS Cloud to the needs of your business and your people. iPECS Cloud is trusted by the organisations you rely on and delivers the flexibility you need to compete and win in your market. The companies who are changing the world, redefining markets, and leading the way have one thing in common. They are embracing cloud technology and becoming more efficient, customer-focused, agile, adaptable, and collaborative. Understand how you can embrace iPECS technology as part of your strategy to put cloud at the heart of your business. Welcome to cloud. Welcome to iPECS Cloud.